Hi, I'm the Toy Mom, and today we're going to open 5 surprise eggs. Mickey Mouse, Moshi Monsters, Kinder, Spiderman, and a princess surprise egg. Let's start with one of my good friends, Mickey Mouse. Definitely a favorite. These eggs have milk chocolate on the outside. Break it open, and here's your prize. I'm pretty sure this will be a character, and I'm hoping for a Mickey Mouse. Yes, we got a Mickey Mouse, and he's got this great backpack. Lots of detail, very cute. And here's a flyer that shows all the other characters you can get. Here's a Moshi Monster egg. Oops. These eggs are hard plastic, and let's see what we have inside. I think I see some candy. Here is their flyer, and it shows all the things you can get. There's some candy, hard candy. There's a sticker of furry. Oh, and look, this has cutie pie on it. Here's a Kinderegg. Kinder's probably my favorite chocolate one. Kinder always has game-like things, and there's lots of pieces, so we'll have to figure this out. Oh, you put them together like this, and there's a fish and a dog. And then if you look here, you use them as stencils. Snap them together, use a pencil. Here's a Spiderman egg. Let's open this one. Hard plastic on the outside, and oh, I think that's probably their flyer, yeah. And this shows all the things you can get with this line of surprise eggs. Here's a sticker of the Green Goblin. Grr. Candy. And here's our toy. It's a yo-yo with Spiderman on it. Here's our princess egg, and our princess today is Snow White. Looks like she's giving us a wink there. Chocolate. It's gonna be a princess, but which one? Let's see. Oh, Aurora or Sleeping Beauty. Very pretty. And here's your flyer to show all the princesses you could get. Here's everything we got today. We got toys and stickers and candy. Thanks for watching. Now you can watch another one of my surprise egg videos or one of my other videos. My picture is always in the corner, like these 4 examples. And please don't forget to subscribe.